Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to filter Excel rows using string values in Power Automate. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, log in using your Power Automate account credentials to access your dashboard and start building your automation. After logging in, look at the left side panel of your screen and click on Create. This will open up various flow creation options that Power Automate offers for different automation scenarios. From the available options, click on Automated Cloud Flow. This type of flow is perfect for automations that run based on specific triggers, making it ideal for processing Excel data automatically whenever needed. When the setup window appears, simply click Skip. This allows you to bypass the initial configuration screen and start building your flow from scratch with more control over each component. Next, click on Add a Trigger to begin defining how your flow will start. The trigger is the event that kicks off your entire automation process, so choosing the right one is essential. In the search bar that appears, type manually trigger a flow and click on it when it shows up. This trigger lets you run the automation on demand whenever you need it, giving you full control over when the flow executes. Now click the plus icon to add your first action. In the search field, type list rows present in a table and select it from the results. This action is crucial because it allows Power Automate to retrieve and work with data from your Excel table. In the location field, click on it and choose your preferred storage location. For this example, select OneDrive for Business. This tells Power Automate where to look for your Excel file. Then click on the Document Library field and choose OneDrive from the available options. This narrows down the exact library where your file is stored. Next, click on the File field and browse through your OneDrive to select the specific Excel file you want to work with. Make sure you choose the correct file that contains the data you need to filter. After selecting your file, click on the Table field and choose the table within your Excel file that contains the rows you want to filter. Power Automate will use this table as the data source for your automation. In the Extract Sensitivity Label option, you can click Yes if you want to include sensitivity information. Similarly, for the Sensitivity Label Metadata option, you can also click Yes. These settings help maintain data security and compliance within your organization. Now click the plus icon again to add another action. Search for Compose and click on it. The Compose action is useful for manipulating and formatting data exactly how you need it before moving to the next step. Click on the Inputs field within the Compose action. This is where you'll define what data you want to work with from your Excel table. Now click the thunder icon to access dynamic content from previous steps. This allows you to pull in data directly from your Excel table into the Compose action. From the dynamic content menu, click on a field from your Excel table, for example, name. Then manually type a comma to separate values. Click the thunder icon again and select another field from your Excel table, such as priority. This combination lets you format and filter the exact string values you need from your rows. Finally, save your automation by clicking the Save button. And that's it. You've successfully created a Power Automate flow that filters Excel rows using string values. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.